Alright, so welcome to Pbteck, and in this video I'm going to show how you can actually scan for digital channels on your Hisense TV. So all you got to do is to pick up your remote, and after connecting the cable, that's the antenna cable, into the antenna import or the RF import at the back of your Hisense TV, the next thing is to pick up your remote and you press on the source button for the first time, and you select the right option, that's the right source. So you press on the source button, and then if it's on satellite, that means the satellite settings will be on it whenever you go to the menu. So you need to change it to the DTV. You press on the source button on the remote, and then you change it to the DTV, and you press OK to select. And after that, all you got to do is to press on the menu button on the remote to go to the menu, and here you have the antenna or the digital channel settings to just run through and then do the scan to get the channels working on your Hisense TV. So all you got to do is to walk through the options over here by using the arrow keys on your remote. So we have auto tuning, DTV, manual tuning. So all you got to do is to come to the auto tuning. But if you want to check the signal strength of some various frequencies, all you got to do is to come to the DTV manual tuning, and then you change the channel number to check the signal strength and the signal quality over there, whether you are good to go with a search. And if in case you don't know anything about the channel with their attached frequencies, all you got to do is to just go back to the menu once again, and then you perform the auto search by pressing OK on it. And here we have the location. You can change it from being Ghana to the right location, and you can also select Ghana if you are in Ghana. So select your preferred choice, and you select Ghana over here. We have Nigeria over here, so if you are in Nigeria currently, you can select Nigeria. And most often, having a stable signal from the antenna, that's the most important thing that you need to have. The location over here doesn't add much to it, so you can even select a different location whilst you are in a different country, but you're still having a stable signal from the antenna will actually get you the channels running. So you select your country if it's available over here, and if it's not available, just select a different option and you proceed with the same steps. So you come to the tune type over here, select the DTV, and the digital type, let it be C. DVB-T, you have the C option over here, so change it to the T, DVB-T. And the scan type, for scan type over there. So if the scan type have been changed, you can change it to the network blind scan. So you change it to 4, change this one to the digital type to the DVB-T, and you press OK to start search. Alright, so you select on. So all you have to do is to wait for it to complete the search, and you're going to get access to the channels that is available on your antenna by having a stable signal of it. So the antenna will be the most important thing. Having a stable signal from the antenna will actually indicate whether you're going to get some channels by performing the auto search over here or not. So after performing the auto search and you're unable to get any channel at all, you got to do is to adjust the antenna, whether to raise it or to turn the direction to face another angle, just to perform the auto search once again to check whether you're going to get the channels running. So that's it. If you are new to the channel, all you have to do is subscribe, hit the bell icon, and you keep coming back for more. So you have to wait for it to complete the search, and you check whether you are having enough of the channels on your Hisense TV.
Walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky.
Alright, so as you can see, we have DTV to be 516, and we have the radio channels to be 14, and currently is on 100%, so it's gonna save. And then you have to walk through the channel list to check if you are having enough of the channel that you want, or you are having at least more of what you are looking for. And if a particular channel is not coming up and you know the frequency, all you have to do is to go to the manual tuning just to check that frequency. If you are not having a stable signal on it, all you got to do is to adjust your antenna to get a stable signal, and you perform the search to get the channels working right there for you. So that's it. If this video has been helpful and you are new to the channel, all you got to do is subscribe, hit the bell icon, and you keep
show any fear. I've been flying from